Here are some characteristics that can make a thesis poor. 1. Objectives and protocol of the study are not stated. 2. The research questions are either not significant or are self-evident. No risk of a successful outcome. 3. The principal purpose or argument of the thesis is difficult to discern. 4. No clear delimitations to the study. 5. Overly simplistic comments and generalizations. 6. The scope of the thesis is overly ambitious. 7. Grasp of the literature has serious limitations. 8. The researcher is unaware of major relevant works, or uses older works that are no longer authoritative or never were authoritative. 9. The description of the literature is serial rather than interpretative, with scant critical analysis or argument emerging. 10. There is no clear connection between the focus of the study and the logic or foundations of the research on which it is based. 11. Theoretical perspectives or conceptual frameworks are left implicit. The rationale for a particular theoretical approach is missing or undeveloped. 12. Shows no awareness of the alignment or compatibilities of particular theoretical and methodological approaches. 13. The overview of theory is broad and lacks depth or persuasiveness, especially noted by a reliance on undergraduate texts without reference to primary authors. 14. The description of the sample selection strategy is inadequate. Inclusion and exclusion criteria not stated. 15. The arguments are intrinsically weak. 16. Large slabs of qualitative data are used to present a point when smaller excerpts with richer or deeper analyses are needed. 17. No demonstrated understanding of appropriate statistical analyses and interpretation, or insufficient detail on how the data analysis was undertaken. 18. Triangulation often claimed but rarely delivered. 19. Contains sweeping, unfounded conclusions that have little or no basis in evidence. 20. Definitions of key terms are either omitted or imprecise. 21. Contains poor photos, confusing diagrams, and inadequately labeled tables. 22. Contains poor written expression that detracts from the candidate's argument. 23. Littered with spelling and typographical errors. Has incorrect or inconsistent referencing. 24. The text is unnecessarily long and wordy. 24. Material is repeated. 25. Lack of critical self-evaluation of the research. Make sure that none of the above is present in your thesis. Thanks for watching. Share it to others for their benefit.